finish on this Pro Z is unparalleled to anything else that's offered into the market. The E-coat is going to provide superior rust protection. The powder coat gives us the color, it pops. If they're going to spend hours out in the sun, they're not going to have to worry about the paint fade. It starts in our fabrication department with our welding. When you look at this unit, you see a ton of MIG welding on it. We know these parts are going to do the job and perform to the measure that's expected out of them. Also our paint system, an E-coat finish that provides a superior base coat to the parts that are on this unit. A powder paint application that's state-of-the-art. All this comes together to give superior weather protection for this unit that's going to be outside 500-600 hours a year by that professional landscaper. They're not going to have to worry about it rusting. They're not going to have to worry about the paint fade. This is basically an automotive finish on a professional zero turn. This thing's built to last.